Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Lessons. I'm Charlie.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy that you're here with us today. And I'm Sarah. Thank you for joining another English conversation.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English with slow, clear, podcast-style conversations.
And today's topic is very special. Right from the beginning, we want to tell you, today we're talking about how to talk about your dreams in English.
Yes, your dreams, your big life goals, your dream job, your dream future, and maybe also some of your funny night dreams while you sleep.
So, if you want to talk about your dreams and future plans in English, this lesson is for you.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to click the little bell icon so you know when we post a new lesson. It really helps us and it helps you keep learning.
All right, let's get started.
So, how are you today?
I'm feeling good, actually. A little tired, but also hopeful.
Hopeful. That's a nice word. Why hopeful?
Because lately I've been thinking a lot about my future dreams, and I feel excited about them.
Oh, that's perfect for today's topic. What kind of dreams are you thinking about?
Mostly life dreams, like where I want to live in the future, what kind of work I want to do, and how I want my life to look.
That sounds deep. What about you? How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. A little bit thoughtful, actually. When I knew we were going to talk about dreams, I also started thinking about my own dreams and goals.
So today's lesson is useful for us too.
Yes, definitely. Before we go deeper, let's explain something important. In English, the word dream can mean two things.
Yes. First, dream can mean the pictures and stories in your mind when you sleep. For example, last night I had a strange dream.
And second, dream can mean your big hopes and goals for the future. For example, my dream is to start my own business, or my dream is to travel the world.
In this video, we'll talk about both your life dreams and goals and your night dreams when you sleep.
And we'll show you how to talk about all of that in simple, clear English.
Let's start with life dreams, your hopes and goals for your future.
Good idea. So, what is one big dream you have for your life?
One of my big dreams is to live near the sea.
Oh, that's a beautiful dream.
Yes, I imagine a small house near the beach with big windows and lots of light. I want to wake up, walk outside, and hear the sound of the ocean.
That sounds amazing.
What about you? What is one big dream you have?
One of my big dreams is to write a book one day.
Nice.
I want to write a book that can help people. Maybe something about learning, motivation, or stories that encourage people not to give up on their dreams.
I would definitely read that book.
Thank you.
If you're watching this, we have a very simple question for you. What is one big dream you have?
You can write it in the comments in one short sentence. For example, my dream is to be a nurse. My dream is to travel to Japan. My dream is to speak English fluently.
It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try. We would love to read your dreams.
Yes, and when you write your dream in English, you are already making one small step toward it.
Now, let's look at some useful phrases you can use to talk about your dreams and goals.
We already used one. My dream is to.
You can say, my dream is to become a doctor.
My dream is to open my own cafe.
My dream is to live in another country.
Another good phrase is, one day I want to.
Yes, for example, one day I want to start a family.
One day I want to buy a house.
One day I want to travel around the world. We can also say, I would love to.
For example, I would love to study abroad.
I would love to work in a big international company.
And another powerful one, I hope to. Yes, like, I hope to get a better job in the future.
I hope to improve my English.
All of these are natural, everyday ways to talk about your dreams in English. Let's talk about dream jobs for a moment.
Okay, what is your dream job?
Good question. I think my dream job is not about a title, but about a feeling. I would like a job where I can help people learn and be creative at the same time.
That's already what you're doing a little with these lessons.
That's true. Maybe I'm already working on my dream job.
I like that idea. Sometimes our dreams are not far away. We are already on the way.
What about you? What's your dream job?
My dream job is similar. I want to keep teaching, but also travel more. Maybe teach in different countries, meet students from many cultures, and create helpful English content.
That sounds wonderful.
So, my dream life is a mix of teaching, traveling, and learning from people.
If you're watching, let's do a very quick practice together.
Yes, this is simple. You can even say it out loud with us.
We'll say, my dream is to, then you finish the sentence with your own idea. In your room, in your car, wherever you are.
Ready? Here we go.
My dream is to...
Great! Now, if you feel brave, you can also write that sentence in the comments. Just one line. My dream is to plus your words.
We know many of you are shy, but we really encourage you to try. This is how you grow.
Let's talk about 3 words: dreams, goals, and plans. They are connected, but not exactly the same.
Yes, a dream is something big you really want. It can be a little far away or difficult.
A goal is a dream that is more clear and specific.
For example, dream, I want to speak English fluently. Goal, I will study English for 30 minutes every day for the next 3 months.
Exactly. And a plan is how you will reach your goal.
So we can say, my dream is to speak English fluently. My goal is to reach B2 level in 2 years. My plan is to study every day using videos, books, and conversations.
That's a great way to use these 3 words together.
Sometimes our dreams feel very far away. That can be difficult.
Yes, maybe your dream is big, like living in another country or changing your career, and you think it's impossible.
I think many people feel that way.
And maybe you also feel that way about English sometimes.
That's true. You might think, my dream is to speak English fluently, but it's too hard, I make mistakes, I'm too old, I don't have time.
We want to tell you it's normal to feel like that. Everyone who has a big dream sometimes feels doubt.
Yes, but remember, you do not have to reach your dream today. You only need to take one small step today.
And watching this video, practicing with us, and writing a comment, that's already a small step.
Let's do something simple together.
If you want to motivate yourself and show that you're serious about your dreams, go to the comments and write this short sentence. I won't give up on my dreams.
Just that. Very simple. When you write it, you tell yourself and the world that you are still trying.
We will see your comment and think, yes, this person is serious about their dreams.
And maybe another learner will see your comment and feel encouraged too.
Now, let's talk about the other kind of dreams, the dreams you have when you sleep.
Yes, the strange stories in your head at night.
Do you usually remember your dreams?
Sometimes, not always. Many times I wake up and I know I had a dream, but I forget the details.
Same here. But sometimes I have dreams that are so strange or so strong that I remember them for a long time.
Can you tell us one?
Okay, a funny one. A few months ago, I had a dream that I was taking an exam, but the exam was about how to talk to a cat.
How to talk to a cat?
Yes! In the dream, the teacher said, "Please explain, in perfect English, how to communicate with a cat." And I was so stressed.
That's amazing.
Then I woke up and thought, maybe I need a break from teaching.
That sounds like a weird dream.
Yes, weird, strange, and a little funny.
What about nightmares? Do you have nightmares sometimes?
Not very often, but sometimes. A nightmare is a very scary dream.
Yes. For example, dreaming that you are falling, or that someone is chasing you, or that something bad is happening.
Those dreams are not fun. It feels so real sometimes.
What about you? Do you remember any dreams?
What about you? Do you remember any dreams? You watching this video. You can answer in your head now. Yes, I usually remember my dreams. Or, no, I usually forget my dreams.
And if you want, you can also share one of your funny or interesting dreams in the comments. We would love to read it.
Let's look at some simple phrases for talking about night dreams.
You can say, last night I had a dream about. I had a strange dream. I had a nightmare.
For example, last night I had a dream about my old school. I had a nightmare about missing the train.
You can also say, I don't remember my dreams. I remember my dreams very clearly.
And we have some useful verbs. Fall asleep when you start sleeping. Wake up when you stop sleeping. Dream about, to have a dream of something.
For example, I fell asleep at midnight. I woke up at 7 a.m. I dreamed about flying.
Or you can say, I dreamed that I was flying. Both are fine. We used many useful words today. Let's do a mini vocabulary review.
First, for life dreams and goals. Dream, something big you want in your future. Goal, a clear, specific target. Plan, the steps to reach your goal. Hope, to want something to happen. Dream job, the job you really want. Future, the time that is coming.
And for night dreams, dream, pictures and stories in your mind when you sleep. Nightmare, a scary dream. Weird or strange, unusual, not normal. Fall asleep, start sleeping. Wake up, stop sleeping. Remember, forget. Keep in your mind, or not keep in your mind.
Let's say some of them slowly so you can repeat. Slowly. Dream. Goal. Plan. Hope. Future. Dream job. Nightmare. Fall asleep. Wake up. Remember.
Great job. Remember, you don't have to remember everything today. Just choose 2 or 3 words and try to use them this week.
Let's quickly summarize what we did today.
At the beginning, we told you the topic: how to talk about your dreams in English.
We talked about 2 types of dreams. Life dreams, your goals and hopes for the future. Night dreams, what you see when you are sleeping.
We shared our own dreams. My dream to live near the sea and your dream to write a book.
We learned useful phrases like, my dream is to, one day I want to, I would love to, I hope to.
We also talked about goals and plans and how they connect to dreams.
Then we moved to night dreams and talked about strange dreams and nightmares.
And finally, we did a vocabulary review with words like dream, goal, plan, hope, nightmare, fall asleep, wake up, future.
If you can use these words and phrases, you will be able to talk about your dreams in English much more easily.
Now it's your turn to practice. It's time for our question of the day.
We really love reading your answers in the comments. It helps you practice, and it helps our community grow.
Today, we have 2 questions for you. You can answer one or both.
Question 1. What is one big dream you have for your future?
Question 2. Do you usually remember your dreams when you sleep? If yes, tell us about one dream.
You can answer like this. My dream is to become a nurse. I want to help people.
My dream is to travel to Canada one day.
Or, for night dreams, yes, I usually remember my dreams. One time, I dreamt that I was flying over my city.
Or, no, I usually forget my dreams.
Write your answer in the comments. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just try.
And if you forgot, you can also write, I won't give up on my dreams.
We'll be very happy to see it there.
Before we go, we want to say thank you for spending this time with us. We know you are busy, and we're really happy that you chose to practice your English with us today.
If this video helped you, please like it. It really supports the channel.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next conversation.
Remember, your dreams are important, and your English is important too. Keep practicing, one small step at a time.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow.
Have a wonderful day and sweet dreams, in your sleep and in your future.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.